Okay, hello guys, so this is the Galaxy A04, and in this video I will show you how to root this phone. Okay, it is using the latest Android version. When I'm making this video, it's using the Android 13 One UI Core version 5.0, and it's using the binary one. Okay, this tutorial can be applied for any version Android and any region. Okay, so all the file and step I will provide in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. And if you have any question, feel free to ask on the comment section. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello, assalamualaikum guys. We meet again with Bob. Okay, this time we have the Galaxy A04, and it is using the latest firmware. Okay, you can see right here it's using the Android 13 on One UI Core 5.0. Okay, and the code name is A045F. You can see right here. And the build number is XX1BWB1. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to root this phone using the latest firmware. Okay, this is using the Indonesian version. But if you use another software region, you can use this method. Okay, any other version region or Android version. Okay, so XX1BWB1. Okay, so let's go back, and first thing you need to do this is to enable the developer option like usual. Hit the build number 5 times, go back again. Go to the developer option and make sure that you have turned on the IM unlock option like this. Okay, and in here I already have the stock firmware. You can see right here it's the same like the software version in my phone. Okay, XX1BWB1. Okay, you can get it from the same mobile. Okay, I will put a link and just search for your region right here. Okay, for example, let's find the Indonesian version, open it, and you're good to go. Okay, so you need to register to download the file. It's free. Okay, XID is Indonesian. Okay, find your region. Okay, and next you need to open the zip file and extract the AP file right here like usual. And then open the AP file, open the boot image, extract the boot image, go back, find the vbmeta, extract the vbmeta, copy the path into the 7-zip. Okay, you can use the 7-zip. Select the 2 file, select 7-zip menu, add to archive, and select the tar format. Okay, and now we have the tar file that contain the boot and vbmeta, the original one. And let's copy to the internal storage, put it in here. And we also need Magisk. Okay, feel free to use any version Magisk, but I prefer the Delta Canary. Okay, let's copy this one, the APK, and put it in here. Okay, all the file and link I will put it in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. Okay, let's switch the screen again. Okay, now let's find my file. Okay, just give it permission, go to the internal storage and find where you have copy your file. I'll put it in the download folder. Install the Magisk APK, give it permission to the my file. Okay, go back and install the APK. And when it's done, we can open the Magisk. Okay, allow it. select the install menu right here, select and patch file, and select the tar file that we have created. Okay, it will start extract the file and patching the file. Done. And the file will be put into the download folder that name Magisk underscore patch blah blah blah. Okay, let's switch again. And now let's copy the Magisk patch, put it into your computer, and when it's done, we can turn off the pawn. So we can do unlock bootloader. Okay, so let's power it off and switch again the screen. And as like usual, the method is all the same for new Samsung phone. To do instant unlock bootloader, you need to press the volume up, volume down at the same time, and then plug the USB cable. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so you have to wait about 5 seconds, and we'll see the blue screen like this. Just press the press the volume up. Okay, about 5 seconds until it's shown another confirmation. Okay, unlock bootloader. Now press the volume up once, and it will automatically restart the phone and format the internal storage. So make sure you have backup the important file. Okay. And after it finishes formatting the data, we don't want to go to the Android, so we'll go directly into the download mode. Okay, let's press the volume up, volume down again to go to the download mode, and this time press the volume up once. Okay, now we're good to go. We already unlocked bootloader our phone. Okay, let's switch again. So in here I already have the Odin. Okay, go to the option tab like usual, uncheck the auto reboot, copy the path where you have the Magisk patch, hit the AP button, paste the path, and select the Magisk patch. Okay, and hit the start button. Don't forget to install the Samsung driver. If you need the driver and other stuff, you can check in my blog. We'll put the link in the description box. Okay, now it's finished. Let's switch again. We need to go to the stock recovery to format the data. Okay, now we need to force reboot the phone. Force reboot can be done by pressing the volume down and the power button at the same time. And when the phone rebooted, quickly switch from the volume down to the volume up while still pressing the power button. Okay, let's try it. Volume down, power button, hold for about 5 seconds, and when it's reboot, switch from the volume down to the volume up. Okay, like this. Maybe for the first time you will get the problem. Sorry, I mean maybe you will not succeed. For first attempt you need to try several times. Okay, it's kind of hard from here, this process I mean. Okay, now we are in the stock recovery. You can navigate using volume up, volume down, and hit the power button to execute. Okay, now select the wipe cache, select yes, select wipe data, and select vector reset. Okay, done. Now select reboot system. Okay, and now let's wait until it boots again into the Android welcome screen. And now we are in the home screen. Okay, so it's important. First thing you need to do is connect to the internet using the SIM card or Wi-Fi. Otherwise, if you restart the phone without connect to internet, your phone will become bootloop. Okay, so it's very important. So now let's go to the settings, and first thing I want to do is usually go to the software update and disable the auto update, because you will lose the root access if the phone get updated. Okay, now let's see the apps. We don't have the Magisk yet, so let's install the Magisk APK. I already copied the file into the storage, and okay, this is the APK. Give it permission. Where is it? Okay, this one. Install it, and after it's done, we can open it. Okay. And usually for the first time, it will ask to additional setup. Just hit OK, and the phone will automatically reboot in 5 seconds. Like I said before, don't forget to connect to the internet. And here we go. Now we have Magisk right here, and I also installed several apps. Okay, like the root checker, root beer, and other stuff. Okay, let's open it. And you can see right here, the Magisk is successfully installed, and also the apps. Okay, you can go to the setting right here and enable the Zygisk site and other stuff. Okay, you can play around, install module, and etc. Okay, let's open the root checker just for fun. Okay, super user request, and here we go. Your Galaxy A04 is rooted on Android 13. Okay, now let's open the root beer. And it also read the root access. Okay, let's try the app is detector. It's also read the Magisk right here. Okay, if you want to hide it using the Magisk Delta, simply go to the setting right here and enable this for item. Okay, that's all guys. I hope it helps you. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.